And welcome back. This is another paint up I did for 2023, and this is the Cave Troll from Lord of the Rings. And as you can see, he's pretty cool. He is a 3D print, and I got him from Mike over at NY3D Creations. Let's give you a full 360 view of the Cave Troll. There you go. Lots of detail here on him. I really had a blast painting him too. I always wanted to do some kind of a creature, and this one fit the bill, the Cave Troll. Top view of him. Lots of different colors going on here. Now, I did not video myself painting him up. I just wanted to have fun doing it, and I actually did it along with the guys over at the Styrene Syndicate, where we do our live paint ups. And I'll put a link down below of the live feed that we did while we were painting him up. But he was a lot of fun. A lot of research went into painting him from various photographs off the internet, and I'll throw some of those up. Also, after I show you him here, I'll put a few videos at the end, not videos, a few photos at the end, and just give you some close-ups that I took with my iPhone. But there you go. Let's get a closer view. And I did paint his eyes by hand. I also used some Ugu glue for the stuff running off his mouth. Really gives it a nice effect. And just, it was a blast painting him. A lot of airbrushing with Pro Acryl Monument Hobby paints. Some Vallejo colors along with some Citadel colors. I believe I did primer coat him with the SEM black filler primer, which is great for 3D prints. He really didn't need that much cleanup whatsoever, and was a lot of fun to get ready to paint. Very cool there. And the base, once again, I did it with the softener dryer sheets to give the effect of the stone, granite, and such. And it was just really fun to paint. I think I did once again use a number 2 pencil to highlight some of the cracks, but I did brush paint a lot of those too, so that's what that looks like. But I had a lot of fun painting him. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Cave Troll. I want to do a lot more paint ups like this, and I actually do have a few more figures that I'm going to be painting up in 2024, so stay tuned for that. The year 2024 will have my new studio set up, more live videos. I'll be doing some live paintings, and if you have any questions on how to do things, please drop me a line. I try to answer all the questions when you do have those, so put your comments and questions down below. Anyway, he was a blast. And there you have it. That was the cave troll that I painted up for 2023. Stay tuned for more videos after this, or more. And like I said, I'll go ahead and attach some more photos and some short video excerpts behind this video. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy New Year, everybody, and take care.